Welcome to my Namaskar. How are you, everyone? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. If you want to learn English, then need to practice again and again. Let's go.
কষ্ট অনেক কিছু বদলে দেয়।
Trouble sheds a lot. Trouble sheds a lot.
সবই আমার দোষ।
It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
আমি ঠিক ফিরে আসব।
I will be right back. I will be right back.
আমি তোমাকে চাই না।
I don't want you. I don't want you.
স্বার্থপর হবে না।
Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish.
কি মনে হয় তোমার?
What do you think? What do you think? Okay, bye bye everyone. Tata. If you want to learn English, then need to practice again and again. Bye.